So I have just arrived in the car park for the hike. Completely frozen lake. So I actually took the wrong path for about 20 minutes. Ski shop, can buy some skis and snowboards. Good morning everyone. I have just got up and got ready in my hotel room. I was a bit disappointed because the hot water wasn't working this morning, which was the whole reason I booked the hotel room. I did manage to have a hot shower last night, so that was good, but still I wanted another hot shower this morning. But anyways, I have a lovely sunny day today. The sun is shining and everywhere is covered in snow. It looks so nice. So I am going to do a hike today. I am going to hike to, it's called, I don't know how to pronounce it, it's like Youth. It's spelled U-A-T-H, Lochans. Basically the hike goes up above a couple of lakes, looks down on the lakes and all of the trees, and it looks very nice, and everything's going to be covered in snow, so I think it's going to look really lovely. It's a 19-minute drive from where I am to the car park, so I'm going to go now whilst the sun is out and hope that the sun stays out. So I will see you when I get there. So this is the hotel I stayed at, Columba House. So these very nice old stone buildings, very sunny, and everything over here covered in snow. So I have just arrived in the car park for the hike. Van is here. There's a couple of other cars here and everything is looking like a snowy winter wonderland. Looks so nice. There's a big frozen lake over here. I'm going to go look at it in a second. And then I need to find where the trail starts because I'm not seeing anything that looks like a trail. Maybe over there. I'm going to have a look at this lake first. Completely frozen lake. So nice. But the sun has gone away, sadly. Got my hat on because it's so cold, my ears get so painful. But the trail is so nice. I'm following the red trail. There's the red and the white. The red trail is supposed to go up to the viewpoint above the lakes. So hopefully it will be a very nice view. Luckily down here I'm sheltered from the wind at the moment because when I was standing out by that lake it was so windy. Icy cold wind. But here it feels okay. I'm sheltered from the wind. It's so nice. Look at this. Snowy. So I actually took the wrong path for about 20 minutes. It basically said to follow the red path. So there was a trail marker which went right with red, and then there was one that went straight with red and white. So I thought I'm supposed to follow the red, so I went right, kept walking and walking, ended up back near the main road. So obviously it wasn't that way, so I've just come back onto the other trail and now I'm actually heading up, which is right because I'm supposed to be going up to a viewpoint. So yes, hopefully this leads to the viewpoint. Look at this amazing view. So nice. I literally feel like I'm in like Canada or something. This is the second viewpoint. Look at this. Wow. If someone showed me this view and didn't tell me where it was, I would 100% guess Canada. I haven't been to Canada. I really want to go to Canada. But this is how I imagine Canada to look from pictures and stuff that I've seen. So nice. Literally, like, magical scenes. I can't even believe this is Scotland right now. And I can't believe it's taken me all these years to come to Scotland. So amazing. So this is the view from the other side at the top. More frozen lakes. So nice. And all of these nice trees covered in the snow. I love it when the trees are like this. This is the path, and it carries on down there. And this is the way back down now. It is a circular route. It goes back in the opposite direction, back to the car park, but I think I will just go back the way that I came, because people said that the views are only at the top and it's just kind of forest that way, but it carries on for a longer. And I'm very cold now, so I think I'll go back the way I came. So the trail has a few steepish up and downs, just to give you an idea of what it's like. So to get to the top, if I hadn't turned wrong, I think it only took maybe 30 or 40 minutes from the car park to the viewpoint at the top. So very short hike. I really recommend this if you're going to be here. Ooh! All the snow keeps blowing off the trees. Yeah, if you're going to be here in summer as well. I saw pictures of it in the summer and it looks really nice in the summer with all the green trees and the blue lakes. But in the winter, in the snow, it looks amazing. So yes, I really recommend this hike if you're in Scotland, in the Cairngorms. So this is the board with the trail information. You actually say the name, Ua Lochans. And there is the Ua Lochans Trail, or the Farletta Crag Trail. Is that what I did? I think that's what I did actually. Yeah, that's what I did. So I didn't do the Ua Lochans Trail, I did the Farletta Crag Trail. And this is what it looks like in the summer. Looks really nice as well. I'd like to come back in the summer and do it again. There it shows the full trail map there. And there is August, parked in the trees. So I'm back at the van now. I just filmed a bit and took some pictures for that ice cream company that I was talking about the other day, Nui. So I think I've finished everything for them now, and it's now 2 o'clock. I'm going to drive back to the main road because I have no signal here, and then when I get some signal I'm gonna figure out what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Well, for the like hour and a half of daylight I have left. But that was such a nice hike. This is such a pretty area. That was very lovely. And now I need to get in the van and get warm because I am frozen. So I have just come to the town of Aviemore. I'm just going to have a look around. There wasn't really much else I could do with the time I have left for the light, because it's already starting to get dark already. So I'm going to have a look around the town, look around the shops, just see what's here. This looks like a very cute little town. Because it's all covered in the snow, it looks like a ski town, like it gives ski town vibes. It's very cute. So I'm going to go have a look around. Got a restaurant here, nice big hotel over there, and shops down here. Mambo's bar. Ski shop, can buy some skis and snowboards. More mountain sports shops. North Face, Mountain Warehouse. There's a shower block here, well, a toilet block, and it has showers, but the women's one is out of order at the moment, unfortunately. But there is actually supposed to be 2 other places around somewhere that also has showers. So I'm going to end this vlog here, so thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, please give me a like, and if you would like to see some more of my adventures, then please subscribe. I will have all of this Scotland trip coming out once per week. I'm going to be posting once a week from now on, every Thursday at 6 p.m. And then after Scotland, I think I will probably be heading to Wales, and then more trips later in the year. So yes, anyways, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So I have just come to Loch Morlick. I am trying to go to Lochen Uanyi, but I cannot find any clear directions to get there.